Welcome. If you want to prevent messages from your followers on the Pinterest app on PC, especially after the new update, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the simple steps to stop receiving those follower messages and keep your inbox clutter-free. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look for the gear icon. It's located at the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on this gear icon to open your settings menu. In the settings menu, find and click on Settings to access your account's detailed options. From there, navigate to the section called Social Permissions. This is where you control how others can interact with you, including messaging. Under Social Permissions, look for the Messages category. Here, you will see an option titled Followers with an Edit button right next to it. Click on Edit to open messaging preferences related to your followers. In the options that appear, select Don't Deliver. This choice means that messages sent by your followers will no longer be delivered to your inbox, effectively preventing follower messages from disturbing you. After selecting Don't Deliver, be sure to click on Save to confirm and apply your new settings. And that's it. You have now successfully prevented messages from your followers on Pinterest using your PC. This feature gives you greater control over your Pinterest experience, letting you focus on what matters without the distraction of unwanted messages. If you ever want to receive messages from followers again, just follow the same steps and choose the delivery option you prefer.